Lenovo has just raised the bar in the gaming laptop arena with the introduction of its latest addition to the Legion series, the Legion R7000. Packed with robust specifications and a host of gaming-centric features, the Legion R7000 aims to deliver an immersive gaming experience for enthusiasts worldwide. At the heart of the Legion R7000 lies the formidable AMD Ryzen 7 7840H processor, promising unparalleled processing power tailored for gaming. Complementing this processing prowess is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, boasting 8 GB of VRAM and incorporating DLSS technology. This not only enhances gaming performance, but also introduces smoother gameplay when utilizing ray tracing technology. Under the hood, the Legion R7000 features a robust 16 GB DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and responsiveness during intense gaming sessions. The laptop doesn't compromise on storage either, with a spacious 512 GB of PCIe 4.0 storage, providing ample space for game installations, multimedia, and more. The Legion R7000 sports a visually striking 15.6-inch Full HD display, boasting 300 nits of peak brightness, DC dimming support, and a commendable 144Hz refresh rate. The laptop promises a visually engaging gaming experience. With a 100% sRGB color gamut, users can expect vibrant and accurate colors that bring games to life. Beyond its core specifications, the Legion R7000 comes equipped with features that enhance the overall gaming experience. Notably, the laptop supports 100 watts PD charging, ensuring that gamers can quickly recharge their devices for extended gaming sessions. The TrueStrike Keyboard, with its 1.5mm travel, provides tactile feedback and responsiveness crucial for gaming precision. In a remarkable twist of technological evolution, Lenovo's latest gaming marvel, the Legion R7000, emerges as the direct successor to the R7000P, which made its debut in June 2022. The Legion R7000P, a pioneer in its own right, was introduced alongside the R9000P, showcasing Lenovo's commitment to pushing the boundaries of gaming laptop capabilities. Lenovo's Legion R7000 is poised to make a significant impact on the gaming laptop market, offering a compelling blend of powerful internals, a stunning display, and gamer-centric features, all at a competitive price point. As gaming enthusiasts eagerly await its release, Lenovo continues to solidify its position as a go-to brand for cutting-edge gaming technology. Lenovo has priced the Legion R7000 competitively, offering a gaming powerhouse for enthusiasts at 6,499 yuan or approximately $909. This positions the laptop as an attractive option for gamers seeking the latest advancements in hardware without a hefty price tag. With pre-orders starting on 8th December 2023 and the first sale set for 11th December 2023, Lenovo aims to deliver cutting-edge gaming experiences into the hands of eager gamers. In the grand narrative of gaming laptops, the Legion R7000 stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation. By building upon the legacy of its predecessor, the R7000P, Lenovo has crafted a gaming device that not only keeps pace with technological advancements, but surges ahead, setting new standards for the industry. The Legion R7000 is more than a laptop, it's a declaration that the future of gaming is here, and it's evolving faster than ever. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.